Welcome back, everyone. Let's go ahead and talk about a few different ways that you can go ahead and recover your deleted text messages on any Android device. Now, this is basically broken down in a couple different ways, and I'll go and break them down right now. First of all, are you trying to recover your text messages, or are you trying to recover Instagram or Snapchat DMs or different apps like that? If that's the case, I have separate videos on how to hit those. This is strictly for text messages that you sent from your Android device. Now, the very first thing I would recommend doing, and this is a no-brainer, but sometimes people forget, is to see if you have any backups available for your specific Android device. This can mean more so than just like a Google Drive backup. If you've done a full backup on any app or on any computer that you have, I would highly recommend you to go through and verify that you have that backup available and see if you're actually able to go ahead and recover some of those texts from that specific backup. I've done I think a Google Drive backup for my full device before, and the process was very easy. And from that backup, you can go ahead and restore any of those messages you have or whatever the case is. So that's really the number one thing I would recommend checking. But also, if you have your messages synced up to a Google Drive account or to multiple different devices, what you can also do is you can go ahead and make your way over to that other device. If you have an older phone, this is the Pixel 5. If I had like a Pixel 3 or 4, I would go ahead and make my way over to those devices and see if any of my messages synced up with those devices as well. It's very common that that could end up being the case, and that is pretty much the main other way I would recommend doing it. If you want to recover all these text messages, I would highly recommend you to see if you have any backups available on any other device, or see if you have another device that was synced up with your specific device, Gmail account and all that stuff, and see if any of those messages were sent back and forth. If those don't work either, the other thing I would recommend doing, honestly, is to go ahead and have those people who you sent text messages to, you can possibly have them send you those specific backup files that you can, if you download, through the Play Store, you can download like a text message recovery app and you can restore those messages too, but you can also make backups. If you go ahead and have somebody make a backup of the specific chat that you had with them, you can go and have them send you out that specific file, and then you can go ahead and restore those messages. You're going to have to do that with every single person. But that's also another thing that I've heard that may work. Now, finally, there is this other thing that I've heard, may work for some people, but it's a long process. I've yet to do it, but I will leave a link in the description. That's basically the link on how to do it. I mean, again, it's not necessarily my favorite thing to do, but it is an option you have out there. So that is something that's not super common, but it can make you go ahead and have that capability back if you really wanted to. So that's pretty much it. Those are just a couple ways on how to actually go ahead and recover your deleted text messages on your Android device. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also, check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.